It's a little thing, Joe.
Finish. It's not a Beetle, it's the Beetle.
Alright, everyone get out of my way.
Here's Tony. Tony Soprano. What's that?
Oh shit, different colour. It's not white.
Is that on the vloggy app?
No, God, no, I cannot do that.
Oh, old mate, he's hot rod.
Holy shit, get off the road! I got a pencil on this excellent. I got a little algorithm on my head when it comes to prices. I can't remember anything else.
Here we go, here's the star of the show here today.
Star of the show.
Plenty of people in. Hey, this is 1004, this is your V8 Calais wagon buyers now to Calais V, top of the range. Young's got the LS motor and the 6 litre V8. Has an OTR, so the over the radiator air intake done on it. I would assume it's probably got a cutback exhaust or something like that done on it as well, buyers. It's got full service history. Calais being the luxury of what we want here today, buyers. You get the leather trim. So what have we got here to start today? You tell me. Well over 20. But if you think I'm off the mark, I'm happy to accept offers in the lane or online. You tell me, what do you think it's worth here today? What about 19? Is there 19 to go? You tell me. What about 18 to start? How low do I go? Thanks, bud. I'll go that low.
Not even worth watching. That guy was trying to offer him 10.
Yeah, the starter.
So they actually do their research, you know, do they?
Yeah, but they've got to sell it at 25 grand. Who the f*** wants a Calais V wagon on
Yeah. This is what annoys me at the auction. It's like, you're not selling a car sales car, mate. You're selling a marketplace car. They very much wet all the cars when they take the photos.
Hey?
They very much wet the cars when they take the photos.
Yeah.
That thing didn't look that bad.
Oh, yeah,
I nearly thought, oh, this thing looks alright. Oh yeah, nice wheels. Those are nice. It's fake leather seats.
Actually not too bad again. They're always good.
Up on your heater.
If you didn't want the good V8 wagon, you can have the shit one. Oh, that's like Remy's car.
This thing looks mean for 400,000 Ks.
It's got 400,000 Ks?
Yeah. Because I actually looked at this, because they're worth good money. It's locked.
Rock in mirror.
Yeah, these are actually worth decent coin.
Yeah, right.
Like even with 400, look at the paint on it. So that would be a good one to just buy and sell cheap. Engine for this is 5 grand. If that thing runs, and they have to run to go through this auction.
I have to.
Where's the Mini?
Yeah.
That thing's a weapon. If you weren't here, I'd be buying that.
Yeah, well,
I'd come home and go, hey Fisher, I bought a f***ing Saphira. Oh. That's not good for business.
I need you to re-talk about how that thing's a weapon now. Please.
I think a turbo blew up.
See? That's why Ben's here.
Yeah, that was real responsible. We went and bought a Saphira that leaked all over my driveway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is this thing auto? Oh no, my auntie was going to buy one of them. I've wrecked a couple, they do alright. This thing's auto? That'd be alright. This thing would be pillar. Too much for us though. We can't afford this. Honestly, that Prado or this.
It's kind of like this is your day. Because I've done 2.
You have done 2.
One was good, one was not good.
They're actually both good cars. It's just on one we just need to find the right buyer. It's not an everyone car. Yeah, these things have a f***ing legit following. This thing runs alright.
What's a glass you?
Don't worry about the glass there.
The glass
No, you don't worry about the glass there. That's free.
It smells like junkie.
Oh, it smells good. Definitely been
Oh,
four drive, dude. Yeah, because I got these, bro. How's this thing? Just gotta get up here on the roof.
I would laugh if that had snapped so hard.
No, those are actually that bolted on there. That's solid.
Look at that, 2-door.
That's a wheeler dealer's car right there.
A wheeler. No, this would be a good buy. As a 2-door, these are rare as
Is that what we're buying? No, this is my day.
we can both have a day.
We both have today. We'll
One.
get Tolan to come up here and pick it up.
We've got numbers.
Are you
You
bargain?
got passed in at $50 and I'm on it.
Really?
Because you got the fee still.
Oh. Oh yeah, this thing's alright. It's a Calais, bro. Yeah. Bit of a Calais. It's got the tow bar. Nice. Oh, nice. What do you reckon, guys? $50? The VY. Oh, it's the EcoJet. At least we know you can get an engine for nothing. If you can find one. Ironically. Oh, I think there's something in there. Oh.
Get out of my eco hole. Hey, Baba, look at the little eye. Oh, look at the splooge tech in it. Wow, those wheels haven't been on for a long time.
I think I've got a set of springs for one of these.
Yeah, me too, grinder.
You can't grind them. This is what we're getting. What's the last cars of the day? Because we're going to end up with something shit.
We are.
Because we're not going home with nothing. We have to buy
Look at
something.
this. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
This Scream's just got new brakes on it, though.
This screams just.
So they just sent this to the mechanics that got new brakes on it and then went, no, this thing's mate. You need to get rid of it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
This thing's plastic.
Hey, Honda.
Ow. It smells odd, but it's cool.
Maybe we'd actually sell this 7-seater.
You would definitely sell on the Odyssey. Everyone wants an Odyssey. And if not, I'm definitely keen to boost cruise and slap an Odyssey with big.
You know what we should do? And then there's that other VY. There's this Voyager. That was up last week.
No.
What? Look at it. It's got the roof rack. We can put a light bar on there. It's got 3 different roof racks on it.
It really does.
These are actually good. Oh yeah, nice.
Smells like shit in there.
Look at the body kit on that.
Oh. Feels cute.
This Subaru. I'd go with Subaru. Little non-turbo. These things are f***ing fly. That'd be great daily for someone.
No
Yeah.
one likes
Oh look at my Mercedes. We're gonna be like 50 cent.
What up?
We'll call us 25 cent.
What up, gangster? Yeah.
Yeah, gangster. What a weapon. Imagine this. It's already lowered. So, this is actually nice. I think we should buy this.
See if the first aid kit's been tampered with.
Is it here?
Yeah, it's on the seat.
What's that?
Oh.
Like that.
Wow. What a thing. It's a slack Mercedes.
This thing's tough. Got the sunroof. Polish those headlights. And someone, this would be like that P-plater that thinks he's a dealer, but really he's just an apprentice electrician.
Mercedes Benz, single rego, 430, 4.3 litre.
V8. Oh, that's coming home with us.
Wow, no,
Is it
sounds like
$4 for every litre?
This is a bad financial decision.
Oh, that's a good one. I like it. Can
Um,
we take it home?
5-speed Tiptronic, 258 k's though.
That's alright. That's low for V8.
Rego is a 10th of the 1st, 24. Sunroof.
Alright, slow down, mate. Fucking hell.
Sunroof requires attention.
That's alright.
Navigation.
It's shut. Oh, it's the same engine that's in me fucking VO. It's 4.3 litre. It's not even a 5 litre. Corey thought it was a V16.
Oh, yes. Airbags. That's why it's so nice.
Oh,
Tough.
it's aired out.
She's down on the ground, but this is a full Rick James bill.
Oh yeah, this thing's tough. These actually fly. I reckon it's worth really, really good nick. Run, drive, reg, roadie.
Really good. That's average.
11 grand. So down to maybe 6.
Ours got 13 grand to 17 grand.
Oh, nice. See, look, you should have just gone with mine, because then you would have been happier when we got home and it was worth more money.
So if it goes for 2, we'll buy it.
Okay. 6.
6 now. He's all of a sudden found a new budget. This guy.
I did. I found it in the emergency wallet. I only didn't even realise I had one. Better be swift about it, though.
Look at that. Oh, how tiny that is.
Yeah, well, that's the next stage of life, Ben. We can't afford to go across that line.
There's some bucks.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to touch up paint that.
Yeah. It's a good first car for someone.
Yeah, a couple grand, sold it for 6.
Yeah.
You don't reckon you get 6 grand for it?
Oh,
It's pure white, mate.
I don't reckon you'll get it for a couple.
$10 for that. $10 for this. Nice.
We're going to have that many cars.
I'll get another little paint touch up.
There's 10 bucks.
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes for 8 or 9 grand.
Yeah.
Because even the engine with those Ks on it's worth 5. Yeah. This just screams out, I can't afford a nice car, but I bought one. That's what I mean. They have to run alright, because otherwise they can't have them here.
Yeah. So they sit here and idle for quite some time.
Yeah.
Actually pretty nice and inside.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch this. Is that just someone's crazy print, or is it actually?
Yeah, that's crazy print.
Okay, so it'll come off. It can come off.
I'm gonna pop stuff out. Something smells like hot coolant.
Awesome. Easily.
Oh, we're at the back of the car, you're right.
Green jumper, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. It's in the green jumper up the front here. 58's not with you, sir, up the front. At 5,800 now done. Finish. Right, 9. Thank you. Orange jumper in the back, 59. In your back, let me know. 59. And now 6,000. 6 up the front here. Green jumper. That's 6,000.
Say it's another one, 5.4.
Oh.
The ML, the big one.
Once again, got the leather trim on the MC, does have the service books, all wheel.
I wish I lived right here. I love planes going over my house every day.
It's a little thing, too.
Finish once, twice. Third call there on the lovely Alexis to the roof. At 4,000 now, take a $100 rise. At 4 a bid. At 4,000 bidding. Done. Finish. All out there at 4. Okay, move it on next one through. Finished.
Same colour shit.
All out at 12.50. Let's revert 7.724. In line up, so back to that activity. Let's start the bidding away on this one there, but it's only about 95k. So hook up a scan, talk, and we'll tell you exactly what it is. Let's start the bidding away at 3,000 now, 300 now, bid 3. Leather, roof, books, start the bidding away. Let's go 2. 2's away, putting 2 to the bid. Bid 2,000 done, finish, all out there, buyers. No further bidding at $2,000 even.
I don't know there.
500 is starting to bid now. At 5 bid. At 500, no kilometres listed in the catalogue. 750. Just because the odometer's not showing on the dash. At 750. At
Oh, yeah.
At 8,000 bid. At bid now. $8,000 only bid now. But 8 bid now.
Yeah, so we went to the auctions today, bid on a few cars, but yeah, everything was kind of sort of out of our price range. You know, you're not going to buy something that you're not going to make any money on. Some of the cars were selling for what they would sell with a roadworthy, so it kind of didn't make sense to buy them. There was one car that I liked that I might bid on over the weekend because it got passed in, sort of go over their online, their weekend auction. So if it does, yeah, we'll do that. So anyway, after we left the thing, I said, well, let's go to the pub. So we went to the pub, grabbed some beers, had a hit on the pokies, and yeah, now we're trying to figure out what we're going to do for the rest of the afternoon. But that's buying cars. You don't always, you guys could take the day off work and head up to the auctions and think you're going to buy a car, and then you don't, and then you kind of wasted the whole day, which is what we've done. But yeah, not too worried about it. It's good to get up there, have a look at the different things that are going on. Unfortunately, I think we lucked out with the first 2 cars, although we haven't sold the first one. The Navara was a good car. But sometimes you're going to have little winners like that you're going to make a few grand on and not do a hell of a lot. With the Safira, I think we're going to have to drop it pretty cheap and just f*** it off. As much as I'd love to keep it, sell it for more. Kind of half tempted to buy Ben out of his half so that I can sit on it, put it on car sales, because I think it would actually pull good money. But yeah, I think it maybe just, because we're in it together, just, yeah, sell it cheap, get rid of it. We'll have to figure that out. Might have to jump on Marketplace, have a look. Anyway, cheers. So as you guys have seen in this video, yeah, that's a harsh reality of trying to flip cars. You're not always going to win. You're not always going to find a car that you can make money on. It's not as easy as you think sometimes. Unfortunately, me and my mate that we're going to do flipping the cars together, he's real busy with his life. He's got a lot of stuff going on, and I'm quite busy with my life. So I think I will be flipping a few cars, but personally, I think it's better that I spend my time flipping cars that are beneficial for the channel. It's all good to raise some money to build the $100,000 car that's behind me, which is the end game. Yeah, there's no point if the content that I'm creating is no good for you guys. So the views that I got on those videos, and I actually got a fair bit of good feedback on the Safira, which was funny enough, but the views were really low. I had pretty much no feedback on the Navara, but we made some good money on it. We lost money on the Safira. Probably going to be doing that. I might still flip some random cars. If you guys want to see it, cool, let me know. But otherwise, I'm going to try and stick to things that I can create. Flip cars, yes, but cars that I can create content for you guys, so that way it's cool for you to watch, and I'm also making some money. That's pretty much the end of the $1,000 car to $100,000 car, because I'm just going to get stuck straight into building the $100,000 car, and I'll probably flip a few cars throughout that process. But if you guys are planning on following the build on that 1,000 to 100,000 build, you're pretty much just going to have to watch this one that's behind me, and the link to that will be at the end of this video, so you can start watching the build on this car. But yeah, anyway, I will end up with a $100,000 car at the end of this series. I'm just going to do it bits and pieces over the next few years, and yeah, show you guys the process of building a car. You can start from nothing and build it up to everything, because this car behind me, as some of you already know, has nothing. I've got to buy every single thing for that car, so it's going to be an expensive process, but at the end of the day, if you do it bit by bit, anyone can afford to do it, really. So anyway, yeah, that's the start and end of this $1,000 to $100,000 build series, and now I'm just going to be plodding along with that. But anyway, stay tuned for the next video on the car that's behind me. Talk to you soon. Catch you on the next one. Bye.